Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1 question number 2, 13th problem. Okay, it is e raised to log of x square minus log of x square. ओके, आता कुठलंही फंक्शन जे e रेज टू लॉग ऑफ ए या फॉर्ममध्ये असेल त्याला आपण कसं लिहू शकतो, तर वी कॅन डिरेक्टली कन्सिडर इट ॲज ए. का? कारण ई आणि लॉग हे एकमेकांचे इन्व्हर्स फंक्शन्स आहेत. लॉगचा बेस काय असतो? ई. ओके, so e raised to log a is actually equal to a, so we can cancel this e and log and we can take the function as log of x square minus log of x square. So e raised to log of x square minus log of x square is equal to d by dx of log of x bracket square minus log x square. Okay, so derivative of log of x bracket square is, it is composition of two functions, a square and log function. So base is log. Okay, so we have to differentiate square function. It is 2 times log of x, okay, multiplied by derivative of log of x is 1 by x minus log of x square चा derivative. Firstly differentiate log because x square is inside log. Okay, so 1 by x square multiplied by d by dx of x square, so it is equal to 2x. ठीक है, so finally it is 2 log x divided by x minus 2 by x. ओके, थँक्यू. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. थँक्यू.